decentralized vending machine.
It's true!
Let's go!
Perfect! The calculator! Let's go!
Hello, this is our school supplies vending machine. This device will help you with all your needs, with greater features such as low energy consumption. This helps you to see more machines with very lower electricity consumption. That's how to in everywhere you can find one of these machines. So these machines help students to work stuff and anyone who needs it by giving them recycled or sustainable artifacts so that they have a lower environmental impact and help to make the world better. Artifacts such as pencil, sharpeners, erasers, pencils, pens, scissors, notebooks, etc. So this is a little of what our vending machine offers and I hope you find it useful.